have traveled from different cultures and have a lot to share with you. Let us see how much I can share with you in the limited time.
If you tell me to work and go in a environment where is a factory culture, I'll not get adjusted because I'm not ready for that. So my last company was that kind of company. I love that company because I'm coming from service sector. Find out your test and then acquire that kind of things. Believe me, you will be successful. So my point here is, if things is clear, goal is defined, KPI is defined, measurable point is
We are going to increase the manpower, and then we are going to achieve these stretch goals. So every year, business has certain percentage of growth which they want to achieve. They want to have certain market share. They want to have particular volume numbers as well in the market. So their goals are always incremental. They're always a growth number which is there, and this results into stretched or enhanced KRAs for, or the key performance indicators for employees as well. So if the employees they are learning, they are building new capabilities, they are acquiring new knowledge, skill, they will easily achieve those stretch goals. If they are not, there will be a situation when there will be a burnout for them, meaning there will be a different or increased expectation from the management, from the managers, whereas employees may not be knowing that, may not be aware of it, and this will lead to a burnout kind of a situation. They will have higher expectation that, okay, if I'm performing on the stress target, and if I'm not rewarded well, then also it's a kind of stress which can lead to a burnout situation. So in a burnout kind of a situation, there are symptoms, there are indications which a good manager or a management or a company, they can identify. They can they can pick up those indicators. They can take care of those points so that employees are not burn out. So there are couple of things which organizations take care when there are stretch targets. There are plans, growth plans.